Assalamu alaikum my YouTube family. I hope you're all doing well. Today we are making this amazing dessert which is perfect for summer. So let's make together strawberry ice cream with only 3 ingredients. So first of all, we're going to take 1 pound fresh strawberries and we're going to add those strawberries to a blender. And now we're going to blend the strawberries and make a puree out of them. So our puree is ready. Now set it aside for later. Now we're gonna take a large bowl, and in that bowl we're gonna add 1 cup of heavy whipping cream. And now with the help of a hand mixer, we're gonna mix it for about a minute. So after 1 minute, we're gonna add half a cup of sweetened condensed milk. And now we're gonna mix it for another minute or until it's incorporated. Now once it's mixed, we're gonna add our prepared strawberry puree. Don't add all of it, save about 1 to 2 tablespoons for later. Now once our puree is added, we're gonna mix it well, and you will see the color will change to pink, and you don't need any food coloring. So our ice cream mixture is ready and it looks perfect. Now we're gonna pour our prepared ice cream mixture into a freezer safe bowl, and make sure your bowl has a lid. Now we're gonna take our saved strawberry puree and we're gonna dot the ice cream, and you will see why we are doing it. Now with the help of a skewer, make swirls. You can make them however you like. I went a little crazy with it, but it turned out good. So now our ice cream is ready to go in the freezer. We're gonna let it freeze for about 12 hours or overnight before we can enjoy it. So I let it freeze overnight and my ice cream is fresh out of the freezer, and you can see it looks perfect. Let's have a closer look. So my ice cream was perfect. It turned out amazing. You should definitely try it this summer. It's perfect for kids. It's low sugar, but if you want it sweetened, you can add added sugar. You can add extra sugar to it if you are not satisfied with just condensed milk. Either way, this ice cream is amazing. I hope you liked it. If you did, give it a thumbs up and leave a comment and let me know how you liked it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Allah Hafiz.